Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. Once again, here we go for another day. A short week this week, of course, because we got Thanksgiving. But however, we're here today and we're investing and we're surviving. We're trying to get through this very last stretches of the bear market. Anyway, let's get straight into it. Here we are. So this is my portfolio today. Up again, 0.59, $242, holding up. I like it. It's good. We're holding. So we're happy with that. Very, very happy with that. Let's get over to my trades and let's have a closer look at what's going on. 0.64, $263. If it's your very first time today, click subscribe and ring the bell. Let us know you're here and give us a thumbs up. And if you can, just like Mike is doing, keep a tab open on Twitch. It helps me to grow on Twitch, which gets us more subscribers here on YouTube. And I give away the money I make on Twitch from subscriptions back to you in a monthly free cash prize draw. It's completely free and you can subscribe using Amazon Prime. Okie dokie. Let's get straight into our position right now and let's see where we are. Got a good crowd of people already waiting. Who was here earlier? Seb D, my portfolio's gone even worse. Thought we hit bottom. Seb Dean. Oh, Seb Dean and Martin says Stephen Lewandowski from Florida. Hello, hello, hello. Mike is here. It's my job. Yes, it is. It is your responsibility. It absolutely is your responsibility. Let me just do that on TikTok. There we go. There you go. That's better. I just turned that down. All right. Bitcoin. I got some very, very interesting news today. I put a video out on Bitcoin. I don't know if anyone has seen it yet, but anyway, Carvana in danger of going to zero. I didn't expect that to happen. Carvana, I thought that was a good business, just one of the many. Yeah, be very, very careful. Some of the stocks we own will go bankrupt. There's no question about it. It's why a diverse portfolio is a key. And you got to ask yourself, if one of your shares went bust, what would happen to your portfolio? Would you get margin called? Would you lose everything? So you have to keep everything in balance, not have some very high risky stock overtaking your portfolio. It's why you've got to trim off. I know, Stephen Lewandowski, I'm going to share it with everybody. I know. I'm over the moon with that. And I'm really excited as well because you bought the on-tour stuff as well and you wasn't there. So obviously you wanted to be part of that. That really fills me with happiness. I think that's great. You wanted to be part of the on-tour stuff. So brilliant, brilliant, brilliant. Hopefully you can be with us next time when we visit either the New York Stock Exchange in New York, New Mexico Virgin Galactic, or Austin, Texas for Tesla. One of the three. So far, most votes were for Virgin Galactic, New Mexico. Hopefully you can meet us there. Right, up nearly 1% right now. Look at the S&P 500. Look at the S&P. I'm up 2.5% now. Remember, this isn't a stock this isn't an asset that grows that much. It's steady growth, and it's up 1% today. Very, very nice indeed. Yes, I will be there. Fantastic. It plays a 19% of my portfolio, so it's very, very important for the survival of my portfolio. And look, we didn't want to see this Virgin Galactic go again below $5, but it's holding on. I'm still in the black, still in the green. Look up CVNA. It's a good lesson for the family, how Rome can fall. Okay, we'll do that in a minute. Just give me 5 minutes, Churchy, and we'll come back to that. Virgin Orbit, waiting for it to go down to 268. Tesla, look at that. It's bounced back up again. Portfolio is doing well now. I didn't get any at 160. I'm down 25% on Tesla, but I've got a lot more. Rivian is today going back up again, 0.81. Lucid, I bought at 10.10. Got an order to buy at... is it 10? 10.03. Sorry, 10.03. I got an order at 9, so not too bad. France is playing football, and we are watching it as well. Here is my ledger position, 596 of my Bitcoin. It's all moved now to my ledger, protecting my Bitcoin, and this is how I think Bitcoin can actually hold its price with ledgers. Human behavior. I put a video out about it. I hope you've checked it out. All right, let's go over and have a look. So we've got France. There we go. Mexico, 0-0 full time. France, we've got Spaceline is here from France. He's very, very happy. 2-1. I said that France would win. They are a world champion, a European champion. They're great team. Won it a couple of times. Australia really didn't have much chance there, but never mind. As expected, France are winning right now. Great stuff. Great stuff. Okay, so we are also covering the football, as you all know. All right, let's get back to it, and we'll keep our eye on the football as it progresses. Right, I'm up nearly 1% right now. Beautiful. What do we got here? Sam, the most beautiful and very talented man. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the one and only Rocket Man, Martyn Lucas. How's it going? I'm working on a new light at my work. It's called Paris Metro. You're working on a new light? What do you mean by that? You're building a light, making a light? I'd like to know more. Thanks, Mike and Martin. Hate seeing France win. Spaceline would not agree. I think he's French. Anyway, there we go. We're going to have a little battle here this afternoon. Right, let's carry on looking through the stocks. We've got some stuff to share from Stephen Lewandowski as well. Right, moving along. Amazon is up today. Apple is up 1.31. That's huge, folks. It's absolutely huge for Apple, right? To be up 1.3 today. Very, very nice indeed. I'm still down on Apple. Never made any money on Apple, but it's moving up. Okay, McDonald's up today. And this is why I think my portfolio has bottomed, because the high-risk stocks are up and the staples are up as well. Coca-Cola is up 0.42, 5.5% now on Coke. J&J up 5.5%. Really good. Really good. You're Canadian too. You're voting for. You're supporting Canada as well. So French Canadian. Look at Google. Just 2% out of the money. This is very, very important. This is a metric of measuring how the economy is going. Because if Google's up, it means that people are spending money on advertisement, which means the economy is starting to recover. Microsoft is also up. I'm up nearly 5.5% now on Microsoft. Very good. And Meta. Look at that. There you go. SoFi in all kinds of difficulties. Do we throw more money at this and buy the dips? What do you think? I've got another buy coming in at 450. It's just around the corner. My last buy was at 20 shares at $5. Are we going to get 20 shares at 450? Let's have a look. I work for a lighting company called Salvania. We have a new light product, which is a Paris Metro. It's for the underground in France. The light is worth £3,000 each, and we have 86 left to make. Bloody hell, £3,000 for a light. Bloody hell, Sam! I ain't coming to your shop. I can't buy a bulb for £3,000. Anybody got £3,000 for a bulb? Jose Carbone 1. Hello, how are you? Welcome. Lovely to see you here. Hey, Martin, how are you? Lovely to see you here. So SoFi getting lower. A lot of digging going into SoFi. They don't seem to be doing anything wrong right now, so I'm not concerned. IonQ, it's because they're a regulated bank and crypto's bringing them down. But I think they'll survive it. It's a great opportunity. That's the way I see it. Lifetime bulbs. Lifetime. £3,000. It should be like lifetime for 1,000 years. Anyway. IonQ, Walmart, very good, very strong. Target, recovered. Tesco, cannot believe it. I'm up 1% on my Tesco. Get in. I've got my dividends paying out on December the 2nd. Very, very good. And that's looking nice. Deadline is 11th of December. Yeah, I think other things I can spend $3,000 on. Right. So get your finger out. Stop messing around, Sam, and get your bulbs built. Get your bulbs built. Canoe going sideways. I've got an order at $1. How many shares? 100 shares at $1. There we go. On is going up 72.66. Tilray Brands down today 2.67, but still up 5.6. Ginkgo Bioworks today is down 6.7. I'm out of that one. Enphase Energy, another very, very, very strong day. I cannot lose money, it seems, on Enphase Energy. When does this party slow down? Look at it. Just keeps on going. Up another $120. Absolutely awesome. Absolutely awesome. Anyway, Bitcoin SV is up 2.38 today. Bitcoin is up 2.37. So there you go. My average, it's hard to calculate now because it's being pulled off the exchanges all the time to protect myself. And I can share with you, in addition then to what you're seeing here, you can also see I have $600 of Bitcoin. That's essentially what's going on there. So that's how that's working. All right. All right. All right. I don't know why I said that. I'm doing overtime, 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Monday to Thursday, and 6 a.m. till 4:30. Thanks for letting us know your schedule, mate. Thanks for letting us know your schedule. Appreciate it. Fifth time SPY has tried 4,000 in a week. 22. Let's go and look at it. I was looking at it earlier, and it's broken higher though. Let's have a look. Here we go. This is what he's talking about. Over the week, though, look, it's broke through these two positions here. It broke through, what's that? 3969. Then it pushed through 3971. And now we're at 3993. So is it going to go through $4,000? Sorry, 4,000 points, not $4,000. Fifth time SPX has tried 4,000 in a week. There we go. Let's have a look at it. 1.1. My portfolio is looking very nice, though, I will tell you. Right, we've got some stuff to share with you. This is really nice. You're really going to like this. We've got, as you know, we had the convention, the party, the day trader, Martyn Lucas Investor, as it is known now, party in Cornwall in England. And we had our on tour merchandise. We had T-shirts, mugs for on tour. And what I think is really nice, I've just received a picture from Stephen Lewandowski on Discord. You can go and check it out. Stephen Lewandowski sent in a picture. He is from Florida. You may remember Stephen. He's in the chat right now. He actually got some on tour merchandise. I love it, with the mug and everything. Look at this. You ready? You're going to like this. Here is Stephen Lewandowski for the very first time. Welcome to the show. Whoops. Just deleted him there. Look. There you go. That's Stephen Lewandowski. Look. And look, he's got the day trader. That's a collector's item now. We're not called that anymore. On Tour UK 2022. Look at that. And he's got his mug as well. Isn't that awesome? I think that's brilliant. I think that's absolutely brilliant. He's also got, what else did he have? He got something else. Yeah, there's his mug, a close up of his mug. There you go as well. And look, love it. Think it's really great. Thank you, Stephen. Absolutely awesome. Really, really cool. Thank you very much indeed for that. Absolutely awesome. Look at that. So now you all know who Stephen Lewandowski is. There he is, the mystery man. All right, there you go. Anyway, let's get back to it. Thank you for sending that in, Stephen. Hi, Stephen, and 22. You should use candles, Mike, instead of a line. They're much easier to read. Well, I like to keep it simple, but I can do that as well, and I do that on this chart here. So if we go to the S&P 500, there you go, and I change it to candles, there you go, and there you go. So I don't know how it appears to you, though, if you're watching on a phone. Some of you watching on a big screen. It depends how you're watching it. But there is the S&P 500 right now. All right, so we like to keep it nice and simple for everyone to watch and get a good experience. Candles, I agree, is better for you at home if you're watching it, if you want to study it in detail yourself. I agree. Right. Update on Virgin Galactic flights. No news yet. More hirings. I think it is the lull the dark before the storm, the dark before the sunshine, whatever they call it. Yeah, I just think we're hovering around until something happens, which we know is going to happen in January. So nothing to talk about right now. What other comments we got here? Right, let me just go back to the main portfolio a minute. Oh, SoFi is at 462, and we're breaking ground. We've just pushed up. VU has just pushed up again, getting very, very close now to that 4,000 point. I'm going to keep my eye on it over here. It's now 3,993.73. As you can see, my exposure is VU, looking good. All right. I got to stop saying that. I don't know why I'm doing it. Virgin Galactic is up 5.01. Virgin Orbit. Tesla 168. Rivian. Lucid. Let's have a quick look at something in a minute. See if we've gained any subscribers in the last few minutes. I've put out a record number of videos today. Let's have a little look. 5518. I went down. Someone unsubscribed because I've done too much work. There you go. I've done too many videos, so they've unsubscribed. You can see I've had a couple of minor viral videos today. You can see, look, there's been a couple of explosions. See that? A little bit of an explosion there just about half an hour ago with one of my shorts. Shorts do very, very well if you're a YouTuber. They don't earn you any money. They don't do anything. They just get you, they just advertise your channel and get you more subscribers. Normally, today, one unsubscribed, but there you go. Lucid, we've got orders at 10. No, we haven't. We've got orders at 9, I think it is. Yeah, 9. SoFi, though. I think SoFi, very close. SoFi is a 450. Are we going to go down? SoFi, I think, is a good company. It was expensive, but not anymore. It's a good buy. It's climbing. It's growing. I like SoFi. The trouble is they're being investigated because of this crypto situation, and they so far said we've not done anything wrong. We're all good, and I'm likely to go along with that, but we shall see until we see different. That's why it's a lot of money, $1,800, but I don't want to sell it down here. It seems a bit silly, really. Anyway, got to get prepared because we're at some point we might lose. We might lose a stock. A company might go bankrupt. It's inevitable at some point, I suppose. 1% up. So we're just going sideways. It's all about tomorrow. Tomorrow is going to be such a big day because we're going to get some figures out. Is Seb Dean here? Seb Dean was here earlier. He was before the show started. Yeah, he's in, but he's not speaking. How are you? He's in silence. I think he's struggling because his portfolio's down, as we all are. Anyway, so tomorrow we're going to get that information, and it could really make or break the holidays because there's no trading on Thursday. So tomorrow is like a Friday, and then on Friday we've got a half day, so that'll be interesting, and then back on Monday. So I have 1,000 shares of SoFi. Good. What do I have? SoFi. I have 406. Yeah. I've got a buy to come in at 450. Anyway, that's my position there. Okay. We got just 45 minutes to go before the bell goes, and tomorrow is a big day. This is lining up for tomorrow. I wonder where it's all going to end up. I put a video out earlier that I think my portfolio has just about touched bottom. I've said it before, though, so, I got it wrong. I don't know. But the rate of my buying lows has slowed down. I know I pick up the odd little one now and again, but generally speaking, Tesla wouldn't let me buy another one at 160. It wouldn't go down that low. Keeps bouncing up from there. I don't know. People are saying it can go down to 50, 80. Just make up numbers, but I don't know. I still think people believe in Tesla more than they believe in Elon Musk. Oh, yes. Thank you very much indeed. Yes, I'm glad you reminded me. Check Carvana. Now, this is an interesting one. Carvana is the used car selling company. It's like a vending machine for cars. You see them all over the place. It's like a giant vending machine. You put in 50 pence, 50 cents, and out pops a car. It's the future of selling cars, or we thought it was. However, apparently, Churchy's saying they're going down the toilet. Carvana. It's a bit like We Buy Any Car in England. Or no, not We Buy Any Car. What's it? Yeah. What's the... there's another one. CarMax. CarMax. That's the one. So anyway, let's pan out. Let's get some... there you go. Look at that. So we started out... When did it IPO? It's 2012, so before the 5 years here. I've only got a 5-year chart on Robinhood. 2012, steady growth all the way through. There's the famous March 2020. Everybody, expected, and then after that, it rose as you'd anticipate because used cars couldn't get older cars. Carvana was selling cars like this. Makes perfect sense. Up and up she goes, up and up. And then since August 21, it's been a continual rise. Sorry, a continual and utter drop. Now then, what do you have to make about that? Carvana was an amazing idea during the pandemic, but many not hold up now. Yeah, it's interesting. Yahoo just put out this statement. Let's have a quick look at what they said. Carvana was an amazing idea during the pandemic, but may not hold up now, says analyst. Argus Research Associate Analyst Taylor Conrad joined Yahoo Live to discuss downgrading Carvana to sell on weak industry trends, a decline in used car sales, rising interest rates, and the outlook for profit growth. I don't think it justifies that drop, though, do you? Do you think it justifies that drop? 56% down in 5 years. 97% down this year. That is one hell of a drop. This is heartbreaking for people. Yeah. What do you think? Opportunity to buy this now? There's more about it. CEO sold out the shares. So the CEO's walked away. I mean, have they given up on the company? Market cap 1 billion now. All-time 52-week low. Yeah, it's at an all-time low. Well, it was at 650. Carvana's unwinding triggers cascade of warnings on Wall Street. It's now a hold or a set, and there's no buy on it now. It missed on earnings expected February 23. It's missed on earnings. Yeah, there you go. The pandemic, look. During the pandemic, it was making money. That's because no one could get older cars. Here he is, Seb Dean. I was wondering where you were. Are you okay? You sound a bit worried. Your markets, your stock markets, your portfolio's down. Welcome to the world, mate. Just like Peloton, yes, it is. Same thing. Look at that. It missed on earnings 21. The earnings in 21 Q4 got bigger. Q1 22 even bigger. It recovered a bit, but it's been slowly going down. What do you think? Time to buy a company that is cheap, or is it all over? Carvana. What do you think of that? It went all the way to 360. Look at that. And now it's $6 a share. That is like an Apple growth. It's lovely, isn't it? You look at that and you think, okay, Amazon, Apple, Microsoft, it's all those great companies. Look at that. It just shows you that can happen. Because the trouble is, unlike Google, Microsoft, Meta, in my opinion, it's only my opinion, they're all proprietary. They're all unique. They're all their own brands. Carvana can be anybody else. CarMax can do what they do. They can be replaced. They're not unique. They're just selling used cars. And anyone can sell a used car, right? Don't know. What's going to happen? Someone going to come in and buy this company up cheap? I don't know. I have no idea. I wouldn't chase it, but I don't know. If it can happen to, it can happen to any of them. Are they going bust? Is it guaranteed? Is that it? Is it done? Is it going bust? I mean, you can still buy shares in it. Look, you mean you can still buy shares in it? What do you think? That's the lesson, Martin. It can happen to anyone, any company. Nobody was doing what Carvana was doing. Okay. Right. It is a lesson, isn't it? It does show us that we are at some point. We've not yet. No one's ever seen it happen yet. No one has seen. You've seen me get margin called. You've seen that. No one has seen me have a company wipe out. No one has seen that, and I hope I hope we don't, because can you imagine if Virgin Galactic went bust tomorrow? 10 grand. Oh, that'd be it. If my portfolio, if I suddenly lost 10 grand, that'd be it. I'd be wiped out. That would be crucifying for me. Tesla, it will happen in 30 years. Tesla, it will happen too in 30 years. That's the lesson, Martin. Can't follow trends. When Musk decide to sell the company, it goes bust. What do you mean when he sells the company, it goes bust? That's not the case at all. Why do you say that? Right, we got some good news here. Potentially good news. Let's have a little look. Some breaking news, and it is breaking news. So anyone says it, shut your face. The SPX is trying to hit 4,000 again. 3996.55. It's pushing up there again. Will it break through this time? Hopefully people can see past Elon if that happens, church. Yes. I can't see that Elon Musk is everything to the company. I know he's a very big part, but I can't believe that. Tesla gets sold by him. Nobody will invest in it anymore. They don't do anything special as well. Okay. Fair enough. Right. 3997. 3 more points. We've tried, as 22 has pointed out, we've not broken this. We've tried it. Was it 7 times you just said? Shares, he is a whale. Sell his shares. Government won't bail out Tesla like they would GM and Ford. No, that's correct. 997.21. Are we going to push through 4,000? It's an important number. It's getting close. We'll keep our eye on it. All right. We're going to go very quick to a quick commercial break. We'll be right back in 10 seconds from now. See you back in 10 seconds. Here we go. Okay. So yeah, Tesla also creates IA software. It does. So does 100 other companies like Intel and IBM. Yeah, he's right. He's right. It's just whether you think Tesla are ahead of the game or not. 1.18, 41, nearly 42. They all get bailouts. So does 100 other companies. They all get bailouts. Right. Let's have a look. 4998.32. This is important. 22. Perhaps you would explain to us why this is so significant. If we hit 4,000 on the SPX, tell us why this is so important. I will put my point in. It's tried to break 4,000. I think you said 7 times. And it keeps bouncing off it. It hasn't broke it. It's psychological, right? I think you've said, let me scroll up. I think you said 7 times. Let me have a look. Oh, 5th time. 5th time it's tried 4,000 in a week. It's tried to break 4,000 5 times in a week. Okay. So we're now at 998.59. 998.48. We want to see it break 4,000. It's been resistance. And the psychological level, it's been above 4,000 but can't hold above. So it has broken through. It just falls straight back down again. Okay, let's be absolutely clear there. Then it's not not broken through. It has, but it falls back quickly. Okay, well, we shall keep our eye on it then and see what it does. We'll keep our eye on that, and I'll come back to it if it breaks it. Right, up 1.2 right now. The S&P is up 1.22. 2.54 now. I'm up on it. I think the best I've ever... 4,038 recent high. Okay. I think the best I've ever been on the S&P 500 is about 4.5% up. I think that's the best I've ever been up on it. Since then, though, I've got more because I managed to buy a couple of lower all-time lows on it. So technically, I've got more strength in it. It's 19% of my portfolio. I'm up 2.5%, so it's good. I'm happy with that. Carvana, looking at it right now. So, what does everyone think? Is it worth buying or not? Virgin. That's the sort of thing that Warren Buffett comes in and does, right? Virgin Galactic is pushing up. We're now at 3,998.74. We're just about 3,999 on the SPX. Virgin Orbit is down 1.66. Tesla is 169. We've got 30 minutes to go before the bell, and then tomorrow is the last day. Think of tomorrow as a Friday, in a way. Plus, we've got the minutes from the Fed tomorrow. So it's a big day tomorrow. And then we've got the holiday, Thanksgiving in the US, and so on. So anyway, let me bring you some breaking news. This is France is giving Australia a bit of a hammering right now. This is France is playing Australia. It's 3-1 in the 69th minute. 90 minutes is the full time plus injury time, extra time if we need it. But anyway, it's 3-1 to France. You don't expect Australia to come back. I would expect that to be that's 100%, yeah, that France would win that. Anyway, Amazon, Apple, having a really good day. Robinhood, I think it was $8. Yeah, $8 I was going to buy some more. McDonald's up 13%. Good evening to you, Mark Core. They better call Charles Icon. Not sure what that means, Church. We are extremely low volume though, so I wouldn't get excited if it breaks 4,000. Needs decent volume to mean much. Okay, 22. Take your point. Low volume on it. Let's have an actual closer look to VU, which gives you an indication. This is my exposure to the SPX, and let's have a little look on the stock today. The average volume is 3.7 million. And there you go. He's absolutely right. 16,000. Hardly anyone is buying the stock market, the S&P 500 right now. Look at that. The average volume is 3.72. But remember, this isn't a stock that gets traded a lot. This is something that you buy and hold. The SP, that's the purpose of this. It's not the sort of stock you just in and out every 5 minutes. More likely on SPY than you are on VU. But VU is designed for people just holding like me. So it works out slightly cheaper because less liquidity. Anyway, look him up, Martin. He is the budget. He is the budget of Warren Buffett. Oh, I see. Oh, do you mean Charlie Manga? Is it Charlie Manga? Charlie Munger? Charlie Manga? Which one it is? They better call Charles Icon. You mean Charlie Munger? I think it is. Why is Virgin Galactic being sued? All right, did you see my video? Charlie Munger, thank you very much indeed. There. Why is Virgin Galactic being sued? Right, did you see my video then, did you? Did you see my video? Basically, Virgin Galactic and Richard Branson is getting sued. They get sued all the time, so I'm not worried about that. But where is it? I've got a video all about it. Where is it? There it is. There's the video. I should probably say go and watch the video. Yeah, it premieres in 55 minutes. So there you go. Basically, essentially, Richard Branson and Virgin Galactic are being sued by the shareholders for manipulation, and Richard Branson sold his shares at the top, and everyone's all upset and asking for compensation and misrepresentation and all the rest of it. So it's actually a premieres in 54 minutes. Oh yes, that's right. So we're going to do one of those premieres together, and I hope you'll all join me. It's at 50, so in 55 minutes from now, like it says. I would love you to all join me for the premiere. So we're going to end the show here, and then I'd like to join you for a premiere. Okay, so here it is. Bookmark that, and right after the show, there's like a 15-minute gap, and then there's the premiere. I'd love you all to join me. Leave a comment and help this one grow. It's very important. I'm not going to tell you what I think. You've got to watch the video. Oh, hang on. Breaking news. Ahmet has just become a subscriber. Thanks, Ahmet. Look, 4-1 to France. There you go. I told you. Do I need to worry about my money? Project Freedom. Have you got any money in Virgin Galactic? I'm not selling my shares of Virgin Galactic. No. Carl, I sold on Oxy and made a real bad money move. There we go. 4-1 on to France now. Hi guys, Dexter Sickles is here. If you've just tuned in this afternoon, we're just sharing pictures. This is from Stephen Lewandowski. He wasn't even at the day trader party in England, and look, he bought this. I think it's brilliant. He ordered a day trader on tour in the UK 2022. That's a collector's t-shirt now, because it's not the day trader anymore. Look at that. And he's got his mug and his t-shirt. Look at that. Absolutely brilliant. That is Stephen Lewandowski from Florida. Right. I would imagine the SPX is broken. Oh, we're right on the button. 3,999. It's about to go through 4,000. Psychologically important. Low volume though, so 22 is saying it's not going to mean a great deal. However, it's always good, isn't it? So anyway, there you go. 3,998.59 as we speak at the moment. All right. Okay. So I'm going to do a little poll. Now and again, every couple of weeks, I like to be involved in a premiere with you guys. So will you join me for tonight's premiere? Tonight's premiere. I really appreciate it. There you go. It's only a 5-minute video, and it's in 50 minutes from now. It's right at the end of the show. It's lovely when everyone comes in, everyone leaves a comment, everyone comments below and likes it. It's fun for me to be involved in that. It happens. I do it like every couple of weeks. I pick a video that I like to watch with you, and it's fun for me, and it's really great for the video. So there you go. There you go. Now then, we are days away now from somebody getting their first gold badge. Lots of yellows here now. It starts off with blue. It goes green, it goes yellow, it goes gold, and it goes red. So there you go. Most of you now have been here nearly a year, so most of you are yellow, and you'll be going gold soon. Hi Dexter, great to see you. You as well, Paddy. Like the live, thanks Max. You like the live premieres, cool. And I wish a good afternoon to you also. There we go. So 3,998.89 at the moment, the SPX. Up 1.36. Looking good. I can't believe it. We got 30 watching and 12 likes again. Right. Flipping it. I'm surprised I've been a member that long. I know, it's amazing, isn't it? It's amazing. Yeah, Mark, you've got a yellow badge as well. So gold's 1 year. Anyway. It's quite incredible. 3,999.65. We are touching 4,000 now. Yesterday's space, SPCE. Yes, I got a question. Why don't you grab some of your competitors? You all get together and hold a panel about different shares, different companies, and companies don't share knowledge. Why don't you grab some of your competitors? You mean other YouTubers? Oh, look at that, 399, very close. As you all get together and hold a panel. Project Freedom. I'll tell you why. I've reached out to many. I've got several I can do. Greg Dickerson is one of those. He said, when you hit 5,000, I want to come on the show. We haven't just arranged it yet. But I've reached out to lots of people. And I will tell you, most people on YouTube don't understand that sharing and being involved with other YouTubers is beneficial. Some people think they're an island and they don't want to be involved. They want to do their own thing. And they don't understand that you grow by sharing. It's silly because if I have a guest on my show and everybody here goes and subscribes and supports the other channel, that doesn't harm me whatsoever. It introduces my channel to the new people. But some people are very they don't want to share. And it's this, Mr. Beast, the biggest YouTuber in the world, says everyone should share. It's how he grew his channel. It's not about trying to be on your own. But many YouTubers, they don't understand that. You've got to remember, most YouTubers have no experience of actually, like I have as an entertainer, building an audience over long periods of time. They just got lucky. They did a couple of things, it worked, and they become very protective. And I'm not talking to anyone. I'm not involving anyone. I'm doing my own thing, and it's silly. And many YouTubers think like that. The big ones don't. The big ones don't. But I'm too small to be of interest to the big ones. At some point in the next year, when we get 20,000, 30,000, 100,000, then I would be able to reach out to the big ones and they will be interested. And then that's when the channel explodes. The channel grows for those who share. Those who just try to keep it to themselves, it's silly. You just crush yourself. The more you share, the more you create a search around the search term, and the more you create interest in the subjects you're talking about, it's better. But many people don't understand that. They think it's all about trying to keep everyone to themselves, and it's silly, really, but that's how a lot of people think. It's literally flown by the things. It's literally flown by the things we have gone through this year as a family. Incredible, isn't it? It really is. It really, really is. Anyway, 1.2. I mean, we've watched Bill. One of the highlights is we've watched Bill quit the channel, unsubscribe, unfollow, cancel the newsletter 3 times, and each time comes back. That's been a highlight for me, that one. That's really good. Is Bill watching right now? Is he here? That's a highlight. Anyway, Carvana, keeping an eye on it. We're at 3,998, just touching 3,999. Virgin Galactic, we've got 15 minutes before the bell goes. SourceGate, oh yeah, remember SourceGate? I'm gonna speak to the Source people. That was another good one. We enjoyed that. That was a lot of fun. Tesla at 169 doesn't want to go down to 168. Sorry, doesn't want to go down to 160 where I'm trying to buy it. Love Bill's comments. There we go. See, everyone loves Bill. Is he here? Is he in today? No, he's not in today. That's surprising. Where's Bill? Anyway, Rivian bouncing back nicely now. I didn't quite buy any more. It's one of those companies I would like to own more, but I stuck to my guns and said at 26 I'll buy more, and it didn't go there. So anyway, Queen of Self-Braiding, how are you? He's asleep, probably. Lucid, I've got orders at 10. Hasn't quite gone down there either. Is it 10 or 9? I keep forgetting. No, it's 9. I bought at 10 today, didn't I? All right. Queen of Self-Braiding, did you get the link for the... Oh, here we go. 3,999.92. Did you get the link to the Amazon shop? You wanted to get the what do you call it? The ledger. So yeah, there is the shop. 39996 right on the button. There is the shop, that the link I gave you via text, and there is the ledger right there. If you buy anything from Amazon, the ledger, or use this to go on to Amazon on anything else, I will then get a small commission if it's an item that's covered by that program, and I will share with you on the screen what I get, and I will give you half of it. All right, it doesn't cost you anything at all. It's free money, and I will share with you what I get. So here is my. Let me go into the Amazon affiliate program, and I'll see. I'll check today. I like to check every day, and this is only for my members. Anyone can use it, but only my members I'll actually pay out to you. So let's have a look. Reports, earnings report. Let me have a look. Has anybody clicked on it today? Let's have a little look. Last 7 days today. All right, so this is what I'm looking at, so you can see this is my Amazon, and I look here, and if anyone has bought something, it will say, and then you'll go, oh yeah, that was mine, and you'll go, look, you got $10, I want $5 from you, and I'll send it to you straight away. So that's how it works. All right, that's how it works. Commissions, bounties. See, there's nothing today. I don't think there was anything yesterday either. I already checked earlier, but I'll check again. See, nothing at the minute. No. All right, nothing. So that's how that works. VIX looking very complacent here. Might be worth taking a bid up for some insurance. The VIX, right, 3999.86. Right on the button again to break 4,000. It's quite psychologically important. As 22 has said, it's gone through a couple of times, but falls back. 41,926 is my portfolio right now, up 1.44. Pretty good. Anyway, let me go over to here a minute. All right, so 1.43. I'm going to run a quick break, skip the ad, and I want to, by the time I come back in 1 minute from now, I want 30 likes. Are you ready? I want 30 likes. If you've not smashed the like button, you got to smash the like button. So here we go. I'll see you back in 10 seconds from now. Okay, and we are back. And we've got day trader of the day as well. I'm happy to hear, my dear. Me too, Mark. I'm not worried about getting anything back. It's more just to help you. Well, that's very nice. I appreciate it. I appreciate that, but, you know, it's part of what I want to do to help. We all help each other, right? I mean, you might as well. It doesn't cost anybody anything. But, oh, we've done it. We broke 4,000. There we go. 4,000.2. So psychologically, the S&P has broken 4,000. It's kind of important, but it's the fifth time of trying. It's broken through before, and then it fell straight back. So it actually got as high as 4,038. So that's the number we're looking for. Have we reached bottom? That's the question we want to ask ourselves. There's a lot of evidence to say my portfolio has hit bottom. How are we doing this afternoon? Let's have a look. We've had 60 people come through the show so far. Have we got any more subscribers? 5517. Oh, there we go. We just gained 2. That's nice. A lot of those videos I just put out. We've got 14 likes right now. Right, that's not good enough. So we're going to put a 1 minute on the clock. I said if we don't do that, I'll just keep running ads. There's 20 people watching and 14 likes. There you go. 1 minute. I said chicky 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 pow pow. I said chicky 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 pow pow. Would the real Satoshi stand up? Say please stand up. Say please stand up. Will the real Satoshi stand up? Nakamoto. All right, smash the like button. We've got 14 likes. Here we go. And let's just zoom in and you can see exactly. There 15 likes. 15, that should be 20. That should be 20. Look, there's 22 people watching. How come it's not 20? I'm good, says Mark. It's gone to 15. Keep doing better. Let me end the timer. Keep our eye on that a minute. Let's go back to the stocks. Ring the bell. 16. I've noticed today it's very quiet. 17, there we go. We're moving now. Thank you ever so much for liking the video. It makes a heck of a difference to me. We try to provide the best service. It just helps the video get seen by more people. And you can see the numbers go up. As soon as you start liking it, YouTube starts sharing it to more people. It makes all the difference. Right, 4,096 now. There you go, 4,096. Going up all the time. 4,038 is where we got to before. So how does that affect my portfolio? Well, I'm at 1.39 at the moment. The S&P 500 is hitting new highs. Hey, we got a super chat. We got a super chat. Thank you so much indeed. Thank you, Mike, for the support of the show. Thank you very much indeed. I appreciate that, Mike. Mike says, it's a pair character turning around, waving his hand, saying, hey, you, while lowering his glasses. I like the way it explains to me in words what exactly is going on in that picture. I actually get the words. That's very, very kind. Thank you so much, Mike. All right. I appreciate your support to the channel. Virgin Galactic is down 0.5 today. There it goes. Look, this is super chat. Super chat. Virgin Orbit is going down a bit more. Nice Mike, Ed Nevius. There you go. Tesla doesn't want to break above 170, but doesn't want to go down to 160 either. I'm trying to buy it. Not much, but mate, it does. It does. If everyone gave me a 99 cents tip now, I'd have $22. It'd be amazing. It'd be like $22 would be like 5 times the amount of money I'd earned on the video. See, it does make a difference. It really does. And it keeps the lights on. Anyway, let's keep on going. Rivian has bounced back today. Would have loved to have picked some more up, but I didn't. It didn't go low enough for me. Amazon is up 0.56. Apple is up 1.39. Hey everyone, here he is. We were just talking about Bill. We were talking about all the fun we've had over the last year with you, because we're coming up to a year from when we got monetized. Not our 1 year anniversary. We're 1.5 years old now, but when we went monetized and our badges are about to turn gold. Bill, if he's in the day it goes live, he might be the first person to show his gold badge off. He might be the first person. I follow myself, so it's me, Bill, and Musanello, I think, with the first 3 anyway. And then after gold, you go to red, the YouTube color. That's the ultimate. Anyway, Mark looks like more buying has come in for Tesla and Amazon. Let's go back to Tesla for Mark Korn there. Yeah, it is. Look at the volume. The average volume is 98 million. 98 million. The volume today is 1.7. No one is trading. No one is buying or selling. Nothing is happening. That's why this is sitting in that channel between 160 and 170. And I think we've got good things around the corner, though. I do think that. Anyway. Hey, Bill. Welcome, my friend. How are you? We were talking about you before. Yeah, we were. Bill, look at this. This is Stephen Lewandowski. This is Stephen Lewandowski, and he bought a day trader on tour in the UK, and he wasn't even there. He's actually the only person to buy the on-tour shirt and mug. In fact, he didn't buy the on-tour mug. He didn't buy the on-tour mug. He bought a regular mug, but an on-tour t-shirt. I know why he's done it. It's like an investment. Because one, it's the last time the day trader is going to be on a t-shirt. And two, He was the only person who got the on-tour stuff. It's still on the shop if anybody wants one, but it's funny because he was the only person who's bought one who wasn't there. That's what I think's so good. Anyway, hey Bill, welcome my friend. Hey Bill, right. So let's have a little look. Up 140. Are we going to hit 42,000? The S&P. Let's have a little look. Let's pan out. Collector's item. It's worth more money now. Yeah. There we go. Up on the week. Up on the month. Look at that. It's heading. Oh, just 4% to go. And the S&P will be up on the 3 months. That to me, I know I'm new to investing. It's only been a year and a half. But, that looks like to me, in 6 months, we could be saying this was a bottom. What do you think? The S&P, look, now, is up on the day, on the week, on the month. Sorry, I beg your pardon. On the month. And it's probably up on 2 months as well. Look, from September the 30th. Look at that. The S&P is up over the last 2 months. Is anybody noticing this? I'm thinking, is the bottom in? 2 months now. That's it over a year. Look at it. We get the pumps and it sells off. Get a pump, sells off. I mean, you could argue until it breaks this level, 395, then it could be another one of these, look, and then drop off. So this could go to here and then down here. What we're looking for is really, will it break this area here, 394? Because these lower highs, higher lows, and all the rest of it, they all confuse me. They keep falling down lower all the time. So this could be just another pump and dump, and down we go again. Or that's what we want to see. 395. So 395. That's $30 a share. Let me just do a quick calculation what that would actually mean to me. $30 a share, $30 a share times, I know that's $1.5 grand, isn't it? Yeah, $1,500. If I do 30 shares, 50 shares divided by times by 30, it's $1,500. That would take me to $20,000. $20,000, and that would probably put me somewhere about 22% of my portfolio. Nearly a quarter of my portfolio would be the S&P 500. But of course, there's more to it than that, because all the other stocks would go up as well, and then it wouldn't probably be as big as that, but gives you an idea. So anyway, that's what we're looking for. We're looking to see if it can break this level here, and then we can start thinking, all right, we've reached bottom. It's also now, hang on a minute, let's have a look. 22 says, my opinion, I think the market is getting complacent with the Fed and it's in for a shock. It's a long way to 2% inflation. I agree with that. I know 7.7 is a long way. It's also now 20% higher than the pre-COVID all-time high. Remember to zoom out sometimes. Yes. SPX, that is. Yes. You're absolutely right. Yeah. So what he's saying is, let me clear that on the screen, it's also now 20% higher than the pre-COVID all-time high. Remember to zoom out. Okay, here we go. So here is pre-COVID, 306, and today we are at 367. So yeah, we are a lot higher than we were pre-COVID. So we that fell off, and then it carried on climbing, fell off, and you can see the rest for yourself. So anyway, we're at 4,046, so we've started to fall back a bit more as well. Okay, here we go. We're about to ring the bell. And we got day trader of the day, and then we got our world premiere. It's a world premiere because I've got employees from all over the world. Remember that? Remember that discussion yesterday? If you've got people that work for you, you can call yourself the World Series. Oh my gosh. All right, here we go. Up 1.64, 1.62, 10 seconds to go. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. We're into the last day now. We're into like basically a Friday tomorrow because we're not here Thursday. It's Thanksgiving in America. And Friday, I haven't worked out if I'm going to be here yet either because family are still here. And then there's the England game as well. England playing the USA. America about to get slaughtered by the English. I'm just saying. I just want to put that out there. Anyway, the bell has now gone. We're at 1.67. Oh, we've broken further now. 4,001.96. 4,002. So we're doing nicely on the SPX right now. 4,000. Oh, we're going up in the after hours quite quickly. There we go. Let's have a quick look. In the after hours, we're going up quite quickly. So first of all, the S&P 500 is up in the after. Martin, bring out your crystal ball, please. Okay, here it comes. Here it comes. It's a very, very important one, this one. It's a very, very important one. It's probably the most important one ever in the history of the world. You ready? I predict that England are going to beat the USA 3-1. 3-1 to England versus the USA. All right, there you go. What do you make of that? America, what do you make of that? Right. Carvana, we looked at this today for Churchy. Lesson to learn. After hours, we're up with Virgin Galactic. VU, Virgin Orbit, is down. Tesla is up 0.03. 25% down. 169.91. Got here just in time for the... Rob Brennan, how are you? Rob Brennan, how are you? Good to see you, Rob Brennan. You missed Stephen Lewandowski live on the show, showing off his T-shirt and his mug from the day trader party. Rivian is going back up. Lucid is up in the after hours. Arrival, yeah, whatever. Amazon, flat in the after hours, down slightly. Apple, great day. Buy some. Buy some what? Robinhood is up today and after hours. McDonald's just down slightly in the after hours. Same with Coca-Cola. Arnold the Ham, what's he on about? What's going on now? Love it. Thanks, Martin. Johnson. Why is everyone so excited about my little crystal ball? I have no idea. Love it. Thanks, says Carlos. Google is down slightly in the after hours. Microsoft is up today. It's flat in the after hours. Tesla. Buy some more Tesla. I've got loads of Tesla. I don't want any more. Meta is flat. SoFi 0.43. Now then. I'm going to end the show. We've got Day Trader of the Day and we got a special event. First of all, you can go there right now to this video right now. Look, you can go here right now. We're going to have a premiere in 27 minutes. And I love it when I get the chance to watch it with you. It really makes a difference. I really appreciate it. There is the video. It's on the home. It goes. There it is. Come and join. You can go there now and put a like and click reminder. Who's going to be the first person to go into the live chat and leave a comment here in the live chat? And we're all going to watch it together. There's the live chat. Hang on. Yeah, there's the live chat. Look, who's going to be the first person to leave a comment there? All right. And there you go. Already did. It's being in the live chat. Maybe it hasn't refreshed anyway. There we go. I am here. The Queen of Self Braiding was there. And you can leave a comment below the video. Oh yeah, Mike's already done it. There you go. Appreciate comments below. Really, really helps. So we're going to watch this together. A premiere, world premiere in a minute. All about Richard Branson getting sued. Ooh. So there you go. Join us for that. What do you think? Bit of fun, this one. Okay. Now, on top of that, if you are a fan of the show and you want to help it grow and all those good things, if you ever miss a video, you know what you've watched because it's got a red line underneath it. See it? So if you scroll down here to the on the home page, hang on, it's taking a bit of time. This is because I was making so many videos. Hang on, it's going a bit slow. I'm struggling to make things move. Here we go. Let's try it again. Okay, look, there you go. Scroll down. These are all the videos. Where it says videos, these are the ones that just came out today. These videos here with Richard Branson came out today. Now, you can see I've not watched them because they've not got red lines beneath, whereas I've watched these. So if you've got these videos here and you've not yet watched them, there's no red line underneath. If you want to watch them, leave a comment, help the channel grow, you can. All right? Market bottom, the Bitcoin guarantee, how to guarantee the price of Bitcoin. I think, put it on a ledger. People are losing their ledgers. They're losing their codes. Bitcoin's getting locked up forever. It's only going to go up in value. And also, if you put it on a ledger, you tend not to want to trade it either. You just leave it there. That's a great thing. I actually think that is the way Bitcoin can go up in value. With all this scaring that's gone on with the networks, I think people are doing that, and we found that out today because ledgers have sold out on Amazon at the moment. So there you go. That tells you a lot, doesn't it? Anyway, 1.62. Let's do day trader of the day, and then we'll all go over for the premiere in a minute. So let me get into the premiere. There's the premiere, and upcoming. There it is, and we've got 3 likes on it already. Fantastic. The Queen is celebrating. Rob Brennan. I love it. Who's left a comment? Mike. Let me sort it by newest first so I can see everybody. Just Mike's left a comment. Only Mike's left a comment, everybody. Only Mike's left a comment below the video. Just saying. Anyway, let's go back to the main show at the minute. 42,000. Okay, we're nicely above there. I want to get back to 50,000 is the price, the price I want to get to. That's when my portfolio can start recovering. Once we get to 50,000. Anyway, up 0.65. Let's do day trader of the day. Let's do day trader of the day. And let's see where you all are today. So, I am up 1.63%. 63%. All right, Ali, we got a guest here. We got a guest who's not a member of our show. You might notice that 95% of our viewers is the highest engagement on YouTube. Mr. Beast has between 8 and 9%. Everybody who watches our show is a member, 95%. So if you want to be a member and get all the perks and benefits, that's why everyone's a member. Here is the invitation to become a member. There you go. Get access to Discord. Here's our Discord, our cash prize giveaway. Loads of things. Loads and loads of things you get as a member. There you go. There's Discord in the chat for you. Right. We've got scores on the doors, so we can start the clock. So I'm at 1.63. Churchy. I've beaten Church. I have beaten Church. Well, would you believe it? No one beats Church. Ali is down 2%. Oh, we're sorry to hear that, Ali. Stick with us. We'll try and support you any way we can. Up 0.65. Hey! Am I going to win? Am I going to win? There's a chance I might win. I'm just trying to see. Stephen Lewandowski's flat tire day, beer time. Dexter Sickles is up 1%. I think I've won. You know what? I think I've won. I can't believe it. It's rare that I win, but I'll take it. I am up today, 1.63. This very rarely happens, so I'm going to take it. So thank you very much, Martin, for your honest trade. You're very, very welcome. Everyone can see what I'm doing. It's kind of like, I can't really lie, can I? Have a thumbs up. Thank you very much. Have a thumbs up. All right. And I'd like the sound effects. You can have the sound effects. Here's the sound effects. Hey! Congratulations to me. You won. I know. What can I say? I even beat Churchy. I'm surprised that Queen and the Church aren't putting their scores together now they're getting married. They sort of combine their scores. Anyway, 41,995. We just dropped back a little bit. It's a good job I got that in, didn't it, before the bell went. before I did that. Yes, you are the winner, Martin. Yes, I am. I am today. Damn right. Yeah, there we go. Just falling back. We're at 4,004 now. 4,004 on the SPX. Oh, 4,001. There you go. It's just fallen back. So that's the problem. It keeps falling back. It doesn't stay up there. $5 Virgin Galactic. They'd have to add, then divide by 2. Yeah, they'd have to add, then divide by 2. Yes, they would. Bloody hell right, yeah. Bloody hell right. That's funny. Right, okay. That's it. So I am done. So we're going to go over to a premiere in a minute. So I'm going to give everybody again the link to it. Here's the premiere. It's when I sit and watch the premiere with you. I very rarely get the chance to do it. Richie April. Richie April, is that a relative? I am new investor looking for tips to get started. Hello. Welcome, Richie. Well, welcome to our party. We are live here. I am here to try to grow the best YouTube channels, because there are 2 in the world. The most honest, real, genuine channel in the world. I'm actually known as the World Piano Man. I toured all over the world, 195 countries. Yes, 195. I know how many there are. As the World Piano Man. This is my TV studio, and all this comes to life for our members later on my other channel, where we sing some songs and we have a party afterwards, or we drown our sorrows, depending if we've lost or made money. And I go live up to 10 hours a day, Monday to Friday, here, sharing my real trades. This is my real positions, my real money. I've grown from $5,000 to what you see today, live on the show, all in front of you. Everything I do I do with you. Everything I do, sound like bloody Bryan Adams. Every time I buy something, you see me buy it. When I sell it, you see me do it. I always tell you the truth. I'm not here to promote anything. I'm just here to tell you what I'm investing in. We all learn from each other. You can call in 24. You can call in via Discord. You can call in via the show and be on the show. Ask questions, and we have a membership plan, which I think. I know is great, because you can see nearly every single person who watches is a member. 95% of our members, of our live viewers, are members, because we have what I think is the best membership program on YouTube. We have the highest engagement rate on YouTube as well. Even Mr. Beast doesn't have 8 to 9% of his live viewers are members. Mine, 95% are members. All right. Anthony Fauci says he will cooperate fully with possible House Republican investigation into COVID origins. Okay. Thank you for that breaking news, Churchy. Churchy's one of our news reporters. Ciao, Paddy. I'm from Palermo. Yeah, we got a lot of Italians here. Alicia and Patricia are here from Italy. Welcome, Richie. There we go. Welcome our guest in. So become a member, and then you get all the perks. You'll see Ale and Paddy are both from Italy, and they are both members. All right, everybody is. Okay. If you want to access Discord, you can. It's free, but if you want to be in... Whoops-a-daisy. I just did my Discord. There you go. That's the invite to Discord. That's what happens if you click on that. I was just going to give you the invitation to Discord. And if you want to be in our free cash prize draw, we do that every single Friday as well. I give away the money I make on the video, and I also give away the money I make on Twitch as well. Here is my Twitch account. This is free. If you subscribe using Amazon Prime, you'll be in our monthly free prize draw. I do it every single first Friday and every Friday here on YouTube. All right. 4,004 now is where the SPY is. Look at that. It's holding. 4,383 just dropped slightly. Let me read some information here from Churchy. Ciao, says Richie. And also, Richie, I can sing in Italian if you are a member. I do Andrea Bocelli and Pavarotti. Yes, as the World Piano Man. Let me read this. Union Pacific CEO called into hearing in Washington as risk of rail strike rises. Very scary stuff, that. Welcome, Richie, from Palm Bay, Florida. Cristiano Ronaldo to leave Man United with immediate effect. Yeah, he's upset a lot of people there. Thanks for accepting me in the clan. We're like a cult. We are here 10 hours a day, every day. No one ever goes away. We're growing all the time. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Bill's from Canada. There we go. Our war veteran. We've got 22. I wonder if the world's governments could sue China over COVID losses. That's a good idea. Trump Media Deal Partners says shareholders approve a delay of merger with Truth Social parent. Welcome all. Nice to meet you. Hail. Hello, hello, hello. Just one cornetto. Give it to me. 22. I love it. Dow closes nearly 400 points higher as Wall Street bets on easing inflation. Smaller rate hikes into the year end. There we go. That's what everybody's thinking, right? Matt D. And we got another guest. We've got lots of guests coming in today. There you go. Lots of guests here today. We live near Pisa, Richie, and do you? We live in Palmera. Look, all the Italians are taking over my bloody channel today. What's going on with that? Right, I've got to go. I hope that our guests will become members. Here it is, the invitation. You can do it when I'm off air, and I'll see you back tomorrow morning for the opening bell. However, if you'd like, there's the invitation to join. If you'd like to join us in 13 minutes for the world premiere of our new video. This might be a cash giveaway video. I'm just saying. So watch it all the way through. Here is the video. Mike saying, go on, join. Go on, join. All right, there's the premiere video. We'll be there in 13 minutes. We're going to watch the video together. This is your invitation to Discord. If you click on that, 390 members now, folks. We've got 2 milestones. 500, you get benefits, and you also get benefits at 1,000. So we're very excited. If we get to 1,000, then we are a public channel. We get searched. Right, there's the video. 13 minutes to go for my world premiere. I want to now and again, or 12 minutes now. I like to watch them with you from time to time. So leave a comment below. The only person who's left a comment so far is Mike. There he is. Mike is the only one. This is Mike. And who's over in the live chat? Who's already there? Queen, Rob Brennan, and the Queen. All right. Said it twice. All right. I've got to go. Join the family. I just need someone now to say, roll the credits, and I will see you there for the world premiere in a couple of minutes. And don't forget, after you've done that, check on the homepage, the videos that you missed today, watch them and leave a comment. It really, really helps our channel grow. I can't thank you enough. All right. Okay. It's now time to roll the credits, and I'll see you back for the premiere in just a couple of moments. And I'll be there with you. Right. Let's do it. Roll. Classic flavor is my favorite. Oh, yes. Richie April. We're here 10 hours a day, Richie, trading live. And if you want to join us every day, we are here to help and support. We have cash giveaways. We share honest trades. We get guests on. People phone in. Everything here is real and genuine. We're not here to promote anything. All I want to do is grow the best channel in the world. That's my aim. All right, here we go. Happy music. Roll the credits. Right, who became a member? Who subscribed? Who became part of it? Should we have a quick look? All right, roll the credits. Let's have a little look. All right, should we get any subscribers today? Thanks for your support. Super chats. Mike gave us a subscription today. Thank you ever so much, Mike. You did a great job today. I really appreciate it. And we got Ahmet subscribed to the channel. It may be more than that. Sometimes it doesn't show subscriptions that aren't public, and it does show members. We didn't get any members today, and it also shows members for Twitch. We didn't get any members there either today. A bit quiet today, and I'll show you how quiet it was. If I go over to my other screen, you can see how quiet it was. When days are like this, it's very quiet. You can see we only had 94 came through the channel, the video today. So very slow, but I've had a few videos start to take off. Shall we see if we've got any subscribers? 5519. Nope. What a slow afternoon. Never mind. Anyway, that's it from me. I'll see you on the world premiere in a couple of minutes. Thank you ever so much, guys. Tomorrow is our last day. Tomorrow is like a Friday. So tomorrow we'll be back for the opening and closing bell. We are going to report the minutes from the Fed. It's a big day. It's like a Friday, sell-off Friday, but everyone's now buying in, thinking that the Fed are going to go soft. I don't think they are going to go soft. I would just be happy with a 0.5 rate hike. That would suit me perfectly, but we don't know about that yet. We'll find out more tomorrow, more about inflation, and then we'll do the closing bell, and then that'll be it. I won't be here on Thursday. That's Thanksgiving. I won't be here that day. And we might not be here Friday either, because Friday is a half day anyway, and I've got family here. We might stream the England plays the USA football. We might do that. I haven't decided yet. But anyway, I will see you in just 9 minutes from now on the premiere of the video. Please join me, and that's it. I'll see you back in the morning. Have a wonderful evening. Look forward to seeing you in a couple of minutes on the premiere and back in the morning. Until then, take care of yourselves and each other.